Today, I'm going to show you how to run CloudFormation in Eucalyptus. In this video, I will demonstrate creating template and creating and managing stack. Each step, I'm going to proceed based on command line interface. Before getting started, let's look at the two important concepts for CloudFormation. First is a template. Template is a definition file which is made of JSON format. In this file, we can define what and how to use resources in Eucalyptus. So you may ask questions, what resource is? Resources can be anything that Eucalyptus Cloud manage, like EC2 instance, volume, secret group, also can be elastic load balancer, S3 store, and more. Other concept is a stack. Stack is a collection of resources in CloudFormation can be managed by stack. We should add, delete, and update resources based on stack. In the first step, I'm going to create template file. I'm writing a JSON file. File name can be whatever you like. I pasted JSON format text. The purpose is so simple. This is a template to create instance. In the file, the section is divided into two parts, parameters and resources. Let's see the resource section first. I defined only one resource named AWS EC2 instance. Every resource type has a certain range of properties. Some of them are required when creating stack. I defined the image ID, instance type, key name, and security groups. These are required information for running instance. And let's see the parameters this time. The parameters are defined about image ID and image type. Values to specify the property in template can be passed through parameter definitions. However, when providing values for properties, they don't always need to be defined parameters. Values also can be set as a default value in property definitions. I gotta tell you more about the EC2 instance resource type. I copied the whole list of the type. We can see various properties of the EC2 instance. When we run instance, it normally needs some information about what kind of image and what kind of instance type to be provided to create instance. All those information are defined in forms of properties and can pass any value to the property through parameter definition. After completed to write template file, now we can create stack. Before creating stack, we need to validate predefined template file. If it succeeded, it returns parameter information. However, in case of failing validation, it returns the error messages. I'm writing to add comma in the JSON file to raise an error. We can see the error messages which indicate the grammatical error. I will make the correction of the file and validate again. Now I'm going to create based on the template file. First thing is that I'm checking the images. I will use CentOS 7. And this image will be required to be passed in a following command. I'm typing a command for creating stack. When running uform create stack command, should specify stack name and template file. And also should specify the parameters using dash parameter flag. The command passes image ID and image type as parameters. After one command, it is able to get status of how the stack is processing. Simple stack which I created is in create in progress. Let me explain status of the stack. First thing to show is in create in progress. When this process ends without any error, it will change it to create complete. If it fails, rollback will be started and then result will be in rollback complete. A minute later, status has been in create complete. This is last one that I covered today. In this step, I'm going to show you how to managing stack. Look around some command to describe things. First is looking for resources which are used in the stack. As I said earlier, I defined only one resource, EC2 instance resource type. Next is about getting event history. Uh, in this command, we can track the status of the resources. In each record, can see when it was created and how its status was and type of the resources. The last command is deleting stack. When running the command, should specify the stack name. It is deleted and let's check the status. We can see the deleting is in progress. This is the end of the recording. Thanks for watching.